James O Rourke, a fitness, nutrition, and personal development coach, has operated his business, Survival of the Fittest, here in Santa Clarita for just over 15 years. But the journey to get where he is now hasn't always been easy.
My mother had passed away when I was 19. I literally held her hand until her last breath, and unless you've actually done it, it's really hard to describe. A few years later, when I decided to get into the health and fitness industry, one of the things that motivated me the most was wanting to help people get healthy and get fit, because I knew the toll that it took on my mother's life.
Despite the hardships he encountered at an early age, James eventually made his way to Santa Clarita to start a new journey with some help from a friend.
I was in Florida all by myself, and they had reached out and wanted to help me. So they invited me out to California, and what they really were trying to do was get me out here so I could get my life together, and that's exactly what happened. And I eventually hired a trainer, and shortly after that I decided to become a personal trainer, and the rest is history.
While James enjoys the challenges of operating his own business, there is something he enjoys even more about his career.
There's lots of things I like about running my business, but when push comes to shove, what fulfills me the most and what is the most satisfying is when I get to help people. And when they come back and tell me, they got their blood test results from their doctor, and their blood levels, everything is improved, and they're feeling better and they're looking better, or they lost 30 pounds and they fit in some dress that they've been wanting to fit into for quite some time, or they're going back to a high school reunion, or whatever it is. Basically, if I'm helping people feel better about themselves or feel better physically because they've improved their health, that is hands down, without a doubt, the best part of my job.
This has been Anthony Nubile reporting for Cougar News.